How to fix YouTube comments not showing up. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube and click on your profile located at bottom right. Then click on settings at the top right. In here, click on general, which is the first option. And then make sure your restricted mode is turned off. After you turn this off and you still have the problem, go to settings. Open settings, scroll down to apps and notification and click on apps and notifications. Click on YouTube. After you click on YouTube, you'll find storage and cache option. Click on it. After that, clear cache. After you've cleared cache, your problem should be fixed. If it still does not fix your problem, it might be the owner is trying to hold comments. As you can see, there is a settings for YouTubers to hold comments for a while. And this is how to fix YouTube comments not showing up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.